Alright, should I start the recording? Okay, guys. It is Walter White here.
Activate the magnet
Oh, hold on.
for the goofy copter. Here, make the winch go down. That's perfect.
Oh, wait.
That's actually perfect. Oh, wait. Activate the magnet.
Why is it so loud?
I don't hear anything.
That's perfect.
Yeah, activate the magnet.
Bro, it's so bright.
Wait, here. Make it go down a little bit so I can grab the...
I got it!
I'm climbing on it.
No way.
Oh, Walter.
Wait, you need to get in it. You need to get in it.
It actually broke my legs. I can walk it backwards.
Here, come here. Get in it. Get in the Walter White thing.
I can't. It's hovering above. Make the winch go down.
There.
My fast should not die.
Alright, are you ready? Hey, what are you making back there? Hey, what was that?
Making a burger.
Oh, really?
Still in.
Alright, let's go! Come on!
It's still in. Wait, make the winch go all the way up.
All the way up. It doesn't work when it's all the way up. I gotta make it go down.
Yes!
Go!
Make the power all the way up.
Oh, I need to go put the landing gear on. No! What is happening?
Make the power of the propellers all the way up.
It is.
You know what?
Uh-oh.
I'm pretty tired.
Oh, shoot. Hey, stop it. Oh, there it goes. Hey, that's not fair. The winch actually... I don't know why it took so long to get power to the helicopter. Hey, that's not fair. Get back here. Bro, stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Here, wait, I'll drive off this end. Let me face this way, and then we'll drive this way. It's so hard to stop it. You have to turn. Here, stop. Wait, turn. Turn yourself too to the end of the runway. Dylan.
I did. Look.
Not that way. Go that way.
No. I'm kidnapping Walter White. No, Walter!
Wait, make the winch go up.
Okay.
It's working. Look, it's actually working.
No way.
I'm having what?
Walter! Alright, Walter, I'm gonna go to a very high altitude.
Walter White's actually skydiving.
What are you cooking back there? No! No, should I drop it?
No.
Goodbye, Walter!
No, wait, don't drop it. Don't drop it.
Uh-oh.
It's too late. Wait, try magnet it. Go down. No, Walter, what?
How much did that do?
It hit me so hard. It fell on me. And now it's stuck on. The car's on and still driving.
No. Oh,
Wait,
the helicopter won't go down.
It's spinning.
No, I'm going straight down. Uh-oh. No! What happened?
That's a good video.
Wait, can it still drive?
Very slowly. Actually, I don't know. I can't get in.
Let him cook!
How is it still driving? No.
It revs so loud for some reason, though.
Wait, let's try to fix the helicopter.
Do you?
You have to fix the helicopter.
No! Wait, I'm not moving it. How are we gonna fix that?
Or I have a fire extinguisher.
We can't fix that. It's unusable. Okay, guys.
Okay, guys, that was a good video. Goodbye.
Goodbye.